Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and another video about this wireframe. And I've already made one for the enhanced. And if you look at it in wireframe, and this is pretty cool because it looks like two bars, but we could change that to this color and an E for enhanced and make life really easier. So I'm going to take that E and I'm going to make it a W now for wireframe. And you could actually go maybe wire. Let's go caps. So you could just maybe see it now with more letters. It's not going to be maybe as clear, but it's going to be pretty good. So we're going to go CE to center that. We're going to make this one a light blue just so it's a little bit different. Now you want it to be relatively small, so I've got it 1 inch by 1 inch. You want to make sure there's nothing else on your page. You're going to want to hit F4. You're going to want to go to File and export it as a ICO, which is some sort of icon resource. So, and then export it and call it, we're going to call it WF for wireframe. It doesn't matter what you call it. Just say okay. And then mine is out of the picture, but I'm going to say okay. So now we can go right up here. Well, we don't want to click on it. We want to right click on it and go customization, toolbar items, and properties. And then it opens up back in here. And in older versions of Corel, it was general shortcuts and appearance. So the only way, so you can get to that away. So we're going to browse, and we're in the pictures where I put that file. I'm going to put WF. I'm going to say open, and it put it in there, and I'm going to say okay. Look at that. Now I can delete this, and if we want to look at something in wireframe, let's just draw another item. Well, let's just draw in, just put that WF. And if you want to look at that in wireframe, you have a colored icon, and there's your wireframe. You want to go back to enhance, you go back to enhance. Now, with that said, anything that's up here, see like my macro for tag cuts and my macro for easy or E cuts, if you do a Control F8 to reboot and default, this is going to be gone. So if you will right click, go customization, workspace, export, and have all these checked and say export, and it's under, it's a CDWS file, and just put save. And then next time you, well, maybe I've got to name it. I want to name it Doug 2. Guess you're going to have to rename it. And you're good to go. Then next time, if you have to hit a Control F8, you can go to workspace and import that file. It'll save you a lot of time having to redo that. So that will be there forever, or you can get it back forever. Anyway, that's pretty cool. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.